Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're starting out with Crystal Lane and Snowmen because it's snowing outside right now. So this is by Bunny Hill Designs. We got a panel. We never do that. And we got the whole line, of course. And I like that little introduction of almost is like warm gingerbread, you know, in the cold season. All right, so we got that for you. And then toss this guy there. Let's move on forward, right? Yeah, you looked concerned like I was going the wrong way. Where shall we go? Oh, precuts. Okay, so we have all the Crystal Lane precuts too as well. But we got Even More Paper by Zen Chic. We have charms, fat quarters, and layer cakes, and mini charms. Love Lily by April Rosenthal. And this is all the same, charms, layers, fat quarters, mini charms. And then Prairie Days, also by Bunny Hill Design. And we have the charms fat quarter bundles of that. There's Love Lily, so fun and bright. There's Even More Paper. Ooh, I'm taking one of those home. And here is the Bunny Hill Designs, the Prairie Days. And I'm sorry, but they're sheep with flags on them, guys. You know we couldn't say no to that. Okay, and then it's not the color I'm waiting for, but it is beautiful. It is the new Aliso Smart Iron, the Pro Plus edition. This is the orchid color. And then moving on, we have a new blender line, because as if we didn't have enough blenders already. This is called Linen Darlings by PNB, and they feel really nice. They feel really nice, guys. They're really good. I like them. I like them. Okay, and then one last thing up front. Moving on up. Moving on up. Let's pretend we're all in an English garden. That wasn't the last thing. I forgot something, guys. Sorry. All right, this is English Garden, and it is a Michael Miller line. So pretty. I actually follow some people on Instagram that have English gardens. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, and then last up, we have a pattern for you. I'm taking one home. It's called Blue Spruce. Now, I'm going to say that word that people are scared of, but don't be scared. It is applique. Don't be scared. We can do this, okay? And then lastly, we have our Fab Stash show is live this weekend, this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is on the 9th of January. And that's all. Happy quilting. Bye.